Good morning, students. Yesterday we had done current ratio. Current ratio comes under the liquidity ratio. In liquidity ratio, there are two ratios, current ratio and quick ratio. Current ratio we had done yesterday. Now today we are doing liquidity ratio. Yes, liquidity ratio is also known as quick ratio, acid test ratio. These are the other names of liquidity ratio. Formula for this liquidity ratio is liquid assets upon current liabilities. Formula for the current ratio, that is current assets upon current liabilities, but in liquidity ratio the formula is liquid assets upon current liabilities. We have to take here liquid assets in place of current assets. In current ratio we had taken current assets in the numerator. In this liquidity ratio or acid test ratio, maybe can say quick ratio, in this we have to take liquid assets in the numerator, liquid assets upon same current liabilities as we had taken in the current ratio. So in liquidity ratio, liquid assets upon current liabilities. What are liquid assets? Liquid assets इक्वल्स टू करंट एसेट्स में से अगर हम इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट इन्वेंट्रीज फ्रॉम द करंट एसेट्स एंड प्री पेड एक्सपेंसेस एडवांस टैक्सेस, if we subtract this from current assets, then the balance value will come as liquid assets. From current assets, if we subtract inventories and prepaid expenses and advance tax, prepaid expenses and advance tax. If we subtract inventories, prepaid expenses, advance tax from the current assets, then the balance value remains come as liquid assets. So for this we have to see first question number 2, 5.11 page, question 2 page 5.11. Yes, in this, see the question, all the values are given about the trade, investment, marketable securities, tangible fixed assets, tangible assets, goodwill, trade receivables, all the values are given here. So take first of all about the liquid assets. So liquid assets में हम क्या क्या लेंगे? करंट एसेट्स हम ऑलरेडी ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर चुके हैं इसका, तो उसमें हमने करंट एसेट्स निकालनी सीखी हैं. अभी हमें लिक्विड एसेट्स लेनी है. लिक्विड एसेट्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन इक्वल्स टू मार्केटेबल सिक्योरिटीज प्लस ट्रेड रिसीवेबल्स आएगा और कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस आएगा. इन्वेंट्रीज हमें इसमें नहीं लेनी और इनकम टैक्स एंड टैक्स पेड इन एडवांस विल नॉट कम इन दिस लिक्विड एसेट्स. सो टेक मार्केटेबल सिक्योरिटीज. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन द वैल्यूज कम्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन आर मार्केटेबल सिक्योरिटीज प्लस ट्रेड रिसीवेबल्स plus cash and bank balance. So marketable securities amount to rupees 40,000, trade receivables this is 1,80,000, cash and bank balance 80,000, the total 120 and this 180. This is 3 lakh. The liquid assets in this question is rupees 3 lakh. Current liabilities under current liabilities in this question the values comes that will be trade payables, rent payables, dividend payables, all the payables values in the within the 1 year, that trade payables, rent payables, dividend payables, and bank overdraft, provision for tax. Bank OD is a current liability. It is short term liability, current liability. Bank overdraft plus provision for tax. All these are current liabilities. So add up some of these values. Trade payables amounted to rupees 120, and rent payables, that is 10,000 rupees, then 30,000, then bank OD 25,000, and provisions, this is amounted to rupees 55,000. The total of these values is 2,40,000 rupees. So total of current liabilities is 2,40,000. The total of liquid assets, this is 3 lakh. So take the formula of liquid assets or quick asset test ratio भी हम कह सकते हैं, इसको quick ratio भी कह सकते हैं. So quick ratio equals to liquid assets upon current liabilities. Liquid assets are 3 lakh, liabilities 240. हमारे पास वैल्यू कितनी आएगी बेटा? ये दिस इज 1. अगर हम कटिंग करेंगे और रेशियो में डिवाइड करते हैं, देन विल गेट 1.25 by 1. Divide this 3 lakh by 2,40,000, then we'll get 1.25 by 1. So its ratio becomes 1.25 is to 1. This is the quick ratio of in the liquid ratios in this question. In this way, if it is given the question that comment on this ratio, then how will comment? The short term financial position of the company is sound because its current ratio is nearly, liquid ratio is nearly 1.25 is to 1, which is more than the ideal ratio. Ideal ratio for this liquid ratio is 1 is to 1. Ideal ratio for this liquid ratio, इस liquid ratio की जो ideal ratio होती है, that is for 1 is to 1. But now in this question, for this company, for this firm, the ideal ratio is 1.25 is to 1. So it is more than the ideal ratio. So company